everyone, I'm sharing with you how to make this thing. You can make with the tabletopper, the play mat, the coaster, the ornament, depend on the size of the fabric that you cut. Okay, I cut in here 4 7 by 7 inches with the red and some design, and then I use the white one with some white design on it. It's so pretty, look at that. Okay, so I have 4 on the white and 4 on the red, just call that. It is 7 inches wide. Okay, if you want to make an ornament, you can go between 5 inches because you have to fold. So when you after you fold, it's gonna be smaller. So I'm gonna show you on the white one, so it's easier for you to see. And all together 8 pieces, 4 and 4. And whatever you do on this one, you're going to do the rest of the 7. Okay, so you're going to fold it in half, the right side facing out, and then I'm going to fold it again this way. All right, so I'm gonna go and iron again. You're going to open this up, and this is the wrong side, this is the right side. Okay, so on each one in here, this is like origami almost. Okay, so on each corner you're gonna fold it right inside like this. Okay, if your fabric is lying down when you press, then do that before you iron. We do have to iron, but to make it easy like that, so you don't have to iron every single fold. Okay, to cut this perfect square, you can cut on the paper, cut the 7 inches or 8 inches, whatever inches you decide to make. Then after that on the paper, okay, and then after that trace it on the fabric and you cut so everything it come out perfectly. Okay, now so you can iron. Okay, so now you have something like this. We're going to get the half, the triangle right here. We're going to fold into the center like this. Fold right into the center, and this time I'm gonna do iron one at a time. Okay, and then on this side I'm gonna fold it into and make sure that it meet up. Okay, now you're going to do the other 7 pieces exactly the same, and then we'll go on from there. Now you're done with one. Isn't that so pretty? Okay, so go and do all 8 of them. For every one, after I fold and iron all 8 together, remember every one of them have the line in the center, just like this one. All right, we're gonna put it together. Okay, so we can sew it. So I have 4 white and 4 red. So we're going to pick one color at the time, and then we're going to start putting it together. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna get the red one. Let me just move out the way so you can see the whole thing. Okay, and the next color will be the white one. So fold this way. Okay, so this side going to be in halfway right here. Make sure you do that. Okay, make sure it go right there at the center, halfway of the red one. Remember the line in the center? That is the one that you place in the one on top of the other one. Okay, just like that. And then the next one will be the red one. So red one go right here and the line right there. So start right here, just like so. Very easy. So everything have the guideline right there for you to follow. So now 3, and then go into the red white one. Go right here. Remember the center going to be like that. Okay, and then the red one, this side go to the center right here, and make sure go right inside the middle, and then you move that right at the middle line, just like so. Okay, and then the next one will be the white one. Like that. Okay, I wanna, okay, go right into the center. There. Okay, red. Go right here, the center. Okay, and now the last one. This one is going to be a good size for your door. Okay, halfway. Okay, now I'm going to clip this down for now. Love doing something like this. And now if you want the smaller for the ornament, you can cut in 5 inches, okay? Or 4. Alright, so now you see the last one that we have it right here with the red. I'm going to lift this up, the red one. Half of the red one, it will go right on top of the white. Okay, just like so. Now you can see the center meet up nice and perfect. It's so pretty. We're going to sew them together. Okay, so whatever way you want to sew, I would do, you know, whatever, but I'll go from the pointy, go all the way down and go to here, go up to the pointy, go up here and going down, go into here, and then, you know, you can touch up the whatever you didn't finish, go down here because impossible, and go around here, going up, going down, go to halfway, going down, and then going up, go to this way, go down, go up, go up, go up, and go up. Okay, then go up and finish up. But let's see, we can go all together. And now for the beginner, my suggest for the beginner, if you want to make everything nice and easier for you, get the glue sticks, and then you're going to lift this side up, glue on this side. I'm just showing you, but for me, when I do it, I don't have to. And then put this down, so that way it's staying down for you when you sew. Okay, you still have to clip this down because it's still wet. Okay, so if you want to do that, make it easy for yourself. You have to find the way that it's good for you, so you don't go crazy. Okay, so make sure you do that. Add the glue before you sew, and then after you put the glue on, then go on the sewing machine and go sew it around, and we'll show you. Okay. Basically make sure you sew everything, every line in here together. When you have that in front of you, you know it's really hard to explain the whole thing. Okay, all right, everyone. That is that, everyone. I finished. One of the things that you can make for many use. You can put the place in here for set up the table for dinner, lunch, or whatever. You can make it bigger and to make it at the tabletop. And you can place the flower vase on top of here if you want to, and I will show you later. Or you can put the loop right here and then you hang at the door. There's so many use for this one, okay? I give you so many ideas of whatever you want to make it for. So this total, it 14 inch and a quarter. It's big. When I put the flower vase on top of it, you see how pretty that is? This is the flower my husband planted. And he put two colors in one pot here, the red one and the pink. It's so good. Okay, and if not, you can put the place and the bowl in there if you like to. So you can do that. Okay, I'm going to put the place in there. And then the bowl. Set up for dinner, whatever you want to use, okay? And any way you want. If you want to hang at the door, then put the loop there. And anyway, so you can use that for the tabletop, centerpiece, whatever you want to do. I just give you an idea, okay? So pretty too. Look at that. You get the color together. That is so pretty. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you turn the bell notification on so every time I upload a video or I go live, you get notified. Stay safe. Love you. Take care.